Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to remove Outlook account from other device. So let's get started. So if you have logged in your Outlook account in multiple devices and now if you want to remove them from those devices, then what you can do is just simply follow some easy steps. So what you have to do is just open up your Outlook, and after opening up your Outlook, just simply enter the passkey that you have added, and now what you can do is just simply tap on the profile icon which is on the top left. After tapping on your profile icon, just tap on the gear icon which is on the bottom left. And after tapping on your gear icon, just scroll down, and inside general you will find accounts. Just tap on account and then select your account. After selecting your account, just scroll down, and here you will find the option which is remove account. So just tap on remove account, and here you will find these two options. First one is remove from this device, and the second is remove from all mobile devices. So just tap on it and then tap on remove. So just wait until this process completes. It might take a while, and after this process is completed, your account will be removed from those other devices. So that's it guys, this is how to remove Outlook from other device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.